If you're GasSafe registered or you work for a company that is GasSafe registered, overworked, underpaid and stressed out, and you're looking to change your career, have a look at this keynote presentation. If you're not GasSafe registered or even in the industry, but you'd like to become GasSafe or ACS, then the best thing to do is, as I've shown you an example, go into a search engine, put in ACS Centre near me, so you could either put your town or your postcode, and there'll be a drop-down menu, and there'll be the local centres, and make sure it's for heating, obviously, that's the world we're in, but also have a look at the subfolder videos, because there will there will be some other ones. Contact them and say, you've seen the video on Mr. Combi training, can you tell me what sort of courses you offer for a beginner? How much, how long, and all the details. And don't forget, shop around. So the first stage is to get your ACS certificate. If you want to work on your own and start your own business, then you have to become GasSafe. Once you do that, you'll get a card like this. This is my old one because I've retired. This allows me and anybody else to work on people's boilers or gas appliances. And there are different levels. Some might be kitchen fitters, some may be car mechanics. I used to just do boilers, so I never touched fires or cookers. There were other specialists, also GasSafe, who would deal with those appliances. So the first step is to contact a training centre, see what courses they offer, and go from there. Always remember, shop around. There will be several around your area, so just go to 1, 2 or 3 and mention me, Mr. Combi, George Mr. Combi's video, and see if you like it, and let's make a step forward. This is a career forever, from 18 to 70 or 80. Well, we don't want to be doing it at 80, but for example, yes, there's never an end to this, and as you've seen on the keynote presentation, it's doable. It's a very difficult job, but highly rewarding, and it's without end. All these boilers have got 3 elements: gas, water, and electricity. If they don't frighten you and you like repairing things and walking into a cold freezing house, and within an hour or two you've repaired the boiler and the heat's on and you're well rewarded and loved by everybody, this could be well your career. And especially if you're coming from the armed forces, for example, you're an engineer in the RAF or the Navy or the Army or anywhere, as long as you're confident and not scared by these elements, the training we provide and the ACS centres provide may well give you another new career.